Yeah, hello, this video is a demonstration of Project 1 Wiki for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. So the first, when you type /wiki /title, I'm gonna put the CSS, and then it's gonna links you to the entry page of the title. And then if you put the some title doesn't exist in Wiki in this application, for example, I will put the Harvard, and then it's gonna show up the error page indicating that the hover does not exist. The page does not exist. I'm going to back to the home page. When you go to the index page, there are all current existed entries in Wiki, and you can click and then go their entry page, CSS or Python. Okay, and then next to the the search box, this functionality allows users to enter a query in the search box to find the relevant encyclopedia entries. So, for example, I'll put the Python, and then it's gonna bring you to the entry page. If no entry matches the query, so let's say Harvard, it says there is alert. There are no results matching the query. However, if the query contains at least one word that matches an entry, it will list all the relevant entries containing that word. So I will try P, and then it shows up all results, including the P, that word. Also, all these listings are clickable and brings you their page as well. Let's click Python, and then it's gonna bring you to the Python page. And the next, for the create the new page, it takes the user to a page where they can create the new encyclopedia entry. If the page you created is already exists, an error message pops up on the top. So let's see CSS, and there's a save button on the bottom. And save, it says that entry is already existed, so you cannot create the same entry page. So this time, let's create a new page, content. So those all content is converted to markdown page. So I'm gonna put the HTML, wiki, this one, this one, this two, this three, and let's see. And then now it's created the new entry page. The title is a Harvard, and those are contents. Okay. And about edit button, this edit page. So when you click the edit page, the user is able to click a link to be taken to a page where the user can edit that the entries markdown content, and the text area, which is here, and the title will be pre-populated with the existing markdown content of the page. And then let's this. Then let's save or change. And then now it changed the HTML. This is a link. Okay. Yeah, once the entry is saved, the user is able to redirect it back to the entry page. Yes. The last function of this web application is a random page. When you click this random page button, the link, it's gonna show up randomly entry pages, HTML, CSS, Starbucks. Okay, that's all about my project one wiki. Thank you for watching.